And nationally, the president is invoking a federal provision to marshal resources. As Natalie Brand reports, it comes as the White House and Congress work on financial aid packages to address the growing economic fallout.
President Trump invoked the Defense Production Act to expand production of medical equipment to combat the coronavirus outbreak.
We've never had to even think in terms of these numbers, but we need millions of masks, and all of that will be ordered. We need respirators. We need ventilators is a big thing because it's a complex piece of equipment.
The president also announced 2 hospital ships will be mobilized to ease the strain on healthcare systems. The USNS Comfort will be heading to New York.
The Comfort's currently in for maintenance in Norfolk, and so they're going to expedite the maintenance that they can and prepare it. That's not a day's issue. That's a week's issue. So it's going to be a little while.
Earlier in the day, the U.S. and Canada agreed to close the northern border to all non-essential traffic.
It's not pertaining at this moment to trade between the two countries.
The Treasury Department would like to start issuing direct payments to Americans by next month based on income and family size, with a second wave of payments in May, but Congress must still approve the plan.
There's a great bipartisan effort going on that I haven't really seen before to this extent.
As lawmakers negotiate a larger stimulus package, the Senate passed a House bill that provides paid sick days and leave for those impacted and expands unemployment benefits.
That's roughly $100 billion that will deal with expanding unemployment insurance, with paid sick leave, with more resources for our health system, and with food support for children who are no longer getting school lunches.
Nearly 1 in 5 Americans says they've already seen their hours reduced or been laid off. And those numbers are rising, with Ford, General Motors, and Fiat Chrysler all temporarily closing U.S. plants because of the coronavirus. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
And overnight, the White House sent lawmakers a separate $46 billion emergency funding request to boost medical care for the military and veterans, as well as fund production of vaccines and medicines.